Balanced diet. A diet which contains all the important nutrients in right proportion is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet must contain protein group, meat, eggs, fish, beans, nuts, pea, etc., which are rich in proteins. Milk group, milk, cheese, curd, ice cream, etc. contain proteins, fats, minerals and carbohydrates. Vegetable and fruit group. Fresh vegetables and fruits are rich in carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Cereal group. Rice, bread, chapatis, noodles, etc. are rich in carbohydrates. Eating a balanced diet is not very expensive. It only needs a little planning. We can also substitute expensive food items by cheaper food items with the same nutritive value. This is called food substitution.